Hello students, Rajwinder here with the new topic belongs to MSc Nursing. The subject is nursing education. Today I would like to discuss with you about the learning resource material. What is comes under learning resource material? Learning resource materials are materials that are used for teaching a course. Okay, learning material we can use from various sites and various resources. We can discuss one by one. First of all, animation which we are using in the PowerPoint presentation. Animation an illusion of movement shown in sequence, visually and dynamically presents. Here what kind of things present? Concepts means ideas, models, processes or phenomena in space or time. Fine. Next is assessment tool. How we assess? Range of instructions, development to assist nurses in their assessment. For example, Glasgow-Coma scale or Braden scale. Next is assignments. Assignments are very essential for the students to develop the skills in the students and enhance the confidence of them regarding the teaching. Activities or lesson plan designed to enable students to learn skills and knowledge. Set of tasks assigned to students by their teacher. Assignments may include required reading, writing or typing project, or might be mathematical exercises, or related to our profession, nursing study or case discussion. These kind of assignments we have to give our students so that they can develop the skills to deal with the patient or teaching area. Then next is case study, a narrative resource describing a complex interaction of real life factors to help of illustrate impact and interaction of concepts and factors in depth. In this case study, we have to take one case and do work all around the case. This gives immense confidence to us. Then next is collection, where we collect the material, a meaningful organization of learning resources, such as we can collect the material from website, we can collect the material from documents and apps. Then that provides users an easier way to discover the material, to develop the registration there and log in, log out, these kind of things for take the good material. Then development tool, software development applications platform for authoring technology based resources such as websites, learning objects and app. Then drill and practice requires users to respond repeatedly to questions or stimuli presented in a variety of sequence. Users practice on their own at their own pace to develop their ability to reliably perform and demonstrate that target knowledge and skills. Next one is e-portfolio, a collection of electronic materials assembled and managed by a users. These may include text, electronic files, images, multimedia, blogs, entries and links. Next one, hybrid or blended course, the organization and presentation of course curriculum required to deliver a complete course that blends online and face-to-face teaching and learning activities. Illustration and graphics, what is that? Visual concepts, model or processes that are not photographic images, visually present concepts, models and processes that enable students to learn skills or knowledge. These can be diagrams, illustration, graphics or infographics in any file format including Photoshop, Illustrator and other similar file types. We can collect the material from here too. Then online courses, the organization and presentation of course curriculum and required to deliver a complete course fully online. Online course module. Online modules usually contain learning objective, direction for use, the material, and ways to help students understand or learn with the help of learning materials, ways to help students practice or apply learning activities, and ways to ascertain whether students have understood to or learned the materials by assessment. Then open resources. In open resources, open journal in the form of article. A journal or article in a journal that is free of cost from the end user and has a Creative Commons public domain or other acceptable use license agreement. And open textbook, an online textbook offered by its authors with Creative Commons public domain or other acceptable use license agreement, allowing use of the ebook at no additional cost. Then photographic image, instructional photos or images of real people, places or things that visually present concepts, processes or phenomena that enable students to learn skills and knowledge. These can be photographs, images or stock photography. Next one is presentation. Teaching material, text or multimedia. Here we can prepare the PowerPoint slides and use the pictures to so that our students understand easily, that are used to present curriculum and concepts to learners. A presentation is a process of presenting a topic to an audience according to the need and according to the group of the audience. Then next is quiz and test. A quiz is a form of game or mind sport in which the players as individuals or in a team attempts to answer questions correctly. It is a game to test your knowledge about a certain subject. For example, knowledge regarding any subject regarding child health nursing, OBG and psychiatric nursing. Then what is a test? A test or examination, informal exam or evaluation, is an assessment intended to measure a test taker knowledge, skill, aptitude, physical fitness or classification in many other topics. For example, we in every month we have to take your test. That is a form of this material, resource material. Then simulation. Simulation is exactly what is the simulation. Simulation is a try but not in a real situation. Okay, approximates a real or imaginary experience where users' action affect the outcomes of tasks they have to complete. Users determine and input initial conditions that generate output that is different from and changed by the initial conditions. The next one is social networking tools. It is a kind of apps like Facebook, Twitter and other so many kinds of apps that allows users to communicate with others. That is most common is WhatsApp. Connected in a network of self-identified user groups for the purpose of sharing information, calls for actions and reactions. For example, our college WhatsApp group. Then the next is syllabus. A document or website that outlines the requirements and expectations for completing a course of study or course outline, which are university put the online information regarding the syllabus or other information. Then tutorials. Users navigate through a set of scaffolded learning activities designed to meet stated learning objectives, structured to impart specific concepts or skills, and organized sequentially to integrate conceptual presentation, demonstration, practice, and testing. Feedback on learner performance is an essential component of a tutorial. If you deliver a lecture, then you have to take the feedback so that if your students suffering from any kind of difficulty, then you have to help them to understand that lecture. Then video instructions. What is that? Video instruction, a recording of moving visual images that show real people, places and things that enable students to learn skills or knowledge. Then the next one is workshop. What is workshop? Workshop where we discuss one particular topic, and it is good for our professional development. Materials best used in a workshop setting for the purpose of professional development. Thank you very much. I hope you have cleared this. If you feel any kind of problem, then kindly inform me. I feel very happy to help you. Thank you very much. Take care.